Ramen Talk, crunchy pepper MeatCorn Dry Noodles with sesame sauce.
椒麻脆脆肉酥拌面，拉面说出品。
Inside the packet, there are noodles, pepper-flavored oil, sesame, takana, sesame sauce, spicy pepper sauce, and crunchy chashu meat corn.
袋子里装有手工日晒面、藤椒油、芝麻、高菜、拌面麻酱、麻辣拌面酱和脆脆叉烧肉粒，一烫面7包料。
Now, boil water to cook the noodles.
水烧沸，煮面去。
Introduce to you this handmade frozen dumpling. Just need to cook few minutes before serving.
这是一款冷冻饺子，网购回来的，给拌面加点料咯，只需要用沸水稍微煮一下就可以上桌。
A fat round piece. This will be extra side dishes to my noodles. Kudos score for this dumpling is 8 points. Recommended to try.
这饺子不错吃，开动值为8分，推荐。
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos to You channel.
Kudos to You is a foodie discovery channel, featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core, local delights and community recommended good food are featured here as well.
Join us to explore delicious food together. Subscribe Kudos to You channel now.
Then only we have chance to tell you stories about food, which one is tasty and yummy, which one tastes so-so only.
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe, click the bell, click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday.
Pick up the noodles.
把面条捞起来，这面条有韧劲，滑溜，真不错，不会太过软，太软的话，一夹起来就断掉，影响口感。
Add in the sesame sauce,
加入麻酱、藤椒油和麻辣酱，
pepper-flavored oil, and spicy pepper sauce. Stir well.
拌匀。
While preparing the food, let's slot in a 2-minute Kudos lecture to feed our mind before feeding our stomach. Ramen Talk, founded in Shanghai in September 2016, is an instant noodle company that aims to make restaurant-quality comparable noodles. Something that makes Ramen Talk stands out from all its competitors is that it not only focuses on innovation of noodle types, but also in taste and healthy ingredients in order to stay aligned with its premium brand image. Tell you an impressive achievement of Ramen Talk. In April 2019, the Chinese instant noodle brand was featured on Li Jiaqi's live streaming show for the first time. Sales volume hit 600,000 renminbi in 1 second. In USD, it's about $94,000 sales in 1 second.
Can you imagine? $94,000 sales of ramen noodles in 1 second.
1分钟开脑洞咯！
拉面说是一个专注开发餐厅级健康速食面的食品品牌，于2016年底在上海创立。品牌致力于探索方便面的升级转型，打造一款健康、有料、有盐、有趣的速食拉面，给消费者提供餐厅级的速食体验。
It's done.
Look at that yummy stuff.
2019年4月，拉面说第一次上李佳琦直播间，1秒即售出60万元的销售额。
1秒创下60万人民币，逾9万4千美元的销售额，实属惊人。
Time to eat. First bite. Found the big flat noodles are chewy and smooth. Good thing is it won't simply break when you pick up with chopstick. Noodles shouldn't be too soft and this dry noodles meet what I expect. The crunchy chashu tastes like those salty snacks, different from the ordinary chashu piece. Noodles taste pepper-like spicy, with sesame flavor.
面条 Q 弹，叉烧肉粒吃着像脆脆的虾条类零食，味道偏辣，四川的辛辣，稍稍带点麻酱味。别忘了订阅小丽的频道，一起开动咯。
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points, 7.5 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.
今天的美食开箱视频，开动只打出7.5分好评分。视频制作不含任何推销或抹黑动机。
Kudos to everybody. Don't forget to click subscribe. See you next Tuesday.
求点赞，求订阅，让美食持续飘香，爱你哟！